Tennessee ranks in the top 10 in the nation for highest teen birth rates. That according to the Department of Health's 2019 report. It's possible, though, that number could skyrocket.
News Channel 5's Alexandra Cohen talked with a local juvenile court judge about it, and she used to hear from cases from children who wanted an abortion across the region.
Yes, and Judge Sheila Calloway tells me that some youth were actually worried they'd be kicked out of their home if their guardians found out they were pregnant. So in special cases, they travel long distances to meet with a judge.
Literally, we're having children.
Juvenile Court Judge Sheila Calloway is pulling back the curtain. Before Roe v. Wade was overturned, she'd meet with around a dozen pregnant youth each year who wanted an abortion. Usually, they were unable to get a parent to sign off on it for various reasons.
There are a lot of people who have to have abortions based on how the carrying a child might hurt them or hurt their children or hurt the babies. And those voices aren't being necessarily heard.
She would hear their cases and determine if it was in their best interest to terminate the pregnancy.
Then I had some that literally may not have known who the person was that impregnated them. And those usually were from youth who were in a situation where they may have been raped or may have been in these circumstances that did not lend well for them to get pregnant.
In 2019, there were more than 5,600 pregnancies and more than 4,900 births among Tennesseans between the ages of 15 and 19.
We're in a state that doesn't necessarily have good health care for all people. And a lot of the youth that we see in the juvenile court system are the ones that get left behind.
Judge Calloway says some teens were concerned on how they would afford formula and baby food.
I think this could end up being more children being placed in the Department of Children's Services custody. And at a time where the department is already stretched with resources, stretched with foster homes, stretched with people who are really willing to come up and adopt if that's what a parent wants. We don't have a whole lot of people knocking on our doors right now.
Most Republican state lawmakers support the abortion ban as it stands, but some Democrats plan to introduce exceptions to the law for rape and incest.
I definitely am afraid that we are in a situation where there are going to be more children that are harmed by the law than that we are helping.
In 2019, the birth rates for Black teens were 2 times higher than that of white teens, according to the Department of Health. Back to you.